Today, we're going to be talking about rental reimbursement on auto insurance. I hope you enjoy. Automobile insurance has a lot of different parts to it. There are coverages that you can add that you don't have to have. There are coverages that are always a part of the auto policy. One of them that you can add, but is not required, is rental reimbursement. And it gets confusing sometimes to people as to what that does. Rental reimbursement on an auto policy is specifically there to provide a replacement vehicle for you if your vehicle is damaged and it's under claim, basically, or your insurance company is handling a claim for that. So if you think about it from an example perspective, let's just say you're in an automobile accident. That's probably the most straightforward scenario. So you're in an automobile accident, your vehicle is damaged, your vehicle's going to have to be in the shop for several days while they repair it. Well, you need transportation. So your rental reimbursement coverage is designed to be there to provide rental coverage. Now, rental reimbursement coverage can be purchased in several different levels of coverage. So some companies only have one option, and you take it or you leave it. And then other companies have multiple coverage options where they may say, we'll pay $20 a day, or we'll pay $30 a day, or $40 or $50. There are some carriers that will go up to $50 a day, but then there's also typically going to be a limited number of days. It will frequently run somewhere in the range of the equivalent of about 3 weeks, 21 days. So this coverage, again, is designed to give you transportation while the insurance company is on claim. Or if you were in a scenario where, let's say you had a total loss, so your vehicle's totaled, it's not going to be in the shop being repaired, but it's also not drivable, then your rental coverage will provide you a vehicle for transportation while the insurance company is doing their research to determine what is a fair value to pay for that totaled vehicle. Now, sometimes we'll have people, they'll call and they'll ask us something like, they may say, I've got rental coverage and my car is broken down. It won't start. So will my rental coverage cover that? In that scenario, the answer is no, because the insurance company, there's not a payable claim. They're not on claim taking care of fixing your vehicle. So if your vehicle just quits on you, the engine blows up or something like that, that's not going to be something where rental would come into play. If it's some kind of basic wear and tear type of thing like that. Occasionally we'll also get questions about, because I've got rental on my auto policy, does that mean when I go rent a vehicle, like if we go on vacation and we rent a vehicle because we flew wherever we're going and now we need transportation, does me having rental on this policy provide coverage for that vehicle, that temporary rental I've got while we're on vacation? Again, the answer is no. That coverage does not provide for that rented vehicle while you're on vacation. However, your auto policy may cover that rented vehicle, but there's going to be a number of factors that are going to come into play related to what kind of coverage do you have on your own vehicles. There can be some coverage that will extend to that rented vehicle, but you want to be really clear on just what your auto policy will do versus won't do in that scenario. But that could be a conversation, really a whole conversation for another day. If you have questions about rental reimbursement, any other of the coverages that you can put on auto insurance, or any insurance or risk management conversations, if you've got questions, don't hesitate to give Terry or myself a call here at Westside Advisors and Insurance Services. I hope you have a great week.